Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the 125 Roller Coaster Challenge Trimmed and Staple Podcast. We are doing our final rankings of the Boscov Fudge. So if you've been watching, we've been ranking each one of the 9 flavors that we got at Boscov's, which is a local department store. And we're going to quickly run real quick through here and give you our order. So number 9 was the peppermint. And there's a reason why this guy was on the 75% off list there. It just was one of the weaker flavors that we had. It tasted very pepperminty, but it definitely was not one of the better ones here. Number 8 was kind of surprising to me. It was the dark chocolate raspberry truffle. It had an aftertaste that I wasn't really sure about. Don't know if it was the dark chocolate or what, but it definitely came in on our bottom feeder here. Number 7 is our chocolate caramel with sea salt. Sea salt definitely made it better, but it's a basic fudge. The texture was kind of rough. It was good, but I wouldn't buy it again. So that was number 7. Number 6 was another one, raspberry cheesecake. And that one here, the raspberry, fantastic. Cheesecake, didn't taste it. Could not taste it at all. So all in all there, that's why it's in the middle of the pack, was half it was good and the other half was non-existent. Number 5 was the peanut butter vanilla. This one was pretty good there. You got vanilla, you got peanut butter. It tasted great. It tasted just like how it should. But yet again, there are 2 flavors to me that aren't very exciting. So because of that, they kind of just stayed where they were there at number 5, middle of the pack. Number 4 was their orange cream. Now, this wasn't as good as Kennywood's, but I did find it a little bit on the same level as Dorney Park's. Dorney's was a lot more creamier. This, of course, was not creamy. There's only one that was creamy. But with this one, didn't really taste like a creamsicle, but it did taste good. It was a good mixture. Neither of the flavors were overpowering. Number 4, surprising, because this one was ranked really low at Dorney. It is the chocolate mint. Here, the mixture of chocolate to mint was perfect. They nailed it. Definitely one that I highly recommend. Number 2, surprise for me. Didn't think I would like it, but it was the maple. The walnuts on the top were a really good mixture, but I loved how it just had, it tasted very brown sugary, and all in all, I was very happy with the overall taste. It was something I usually don't buy. I would buy this again at Boscov's. And last but not least, no surprise here, is the swirl, the raspberry chocolate swirl. This one was the only one out of all of the Boscov's fudges that were actually creamy, and it actually tasted great, and one of my favorites. So that was the rundown on Boscov's. If you jump over to the YouTube channel, there will be a full thing on this, adding in the Hershey Park, and then at the end of March, we're going to do a roundup with the winter going into the spring of where all the standings are. So once again, guys, can't wait to see you in the queue, and thanks for watching the 125 Roller Coaster Challenge.